Welcome to Quest Tools 04. Let's explore the features and effects this set has to offer. This set replicates the optical effect created when shooting with a glass prism held in front of your lens, reflecting and dispersing the light to creatively transform your image. Each individual prism effect can be manipulated within the masking panel to alter placement and intensity, and multiple prism effects can be layered to create a truly unique edit. Both horizontal and vertical versions are provided. Prism 01 provides two vertical beams of light positioned on the right side of the frame. Prism 02 gives you a full-width horizontal effect placed at the bottom of the frame with defined blocks of light. Prism 03 features straight diagonal light streaks across the bottom left of the frame. 04 gives you flaring light across the top of the frame with pronounced beams in the top corners. 05 provides a small group of horizontal beams on the right side of the frame. 06 gives you a pair of diagonally facing straight beams positioned on the lower left and right of the frame. 07 provides a single vertical beam with dappled reflections positioned on the left side of the frame. 08 provides horizontal prism light across the bottom of the frame with thin vertical beams. 09 gives you simple prism light positioned diagonally at the top left of the frame. Lastly, Prism 10 provides multiple orbs of light positioned around the edges of the frame.